Hey guys, how are you? In this video, the aim will be to understand what comments are. Pretty straightforward. Comments are something that Java doesn't care about. So if I write anything here, let's say I want to say, I am a cool teacher. You can see it's red, right? Not a cool teacher. Doesn't even know how to write code. Well, I know, but this is just to explain. You can see it's red, and even at top right, I'm getting some error thing. That means this won't work. Compiler is like, hey, what is going on here? I'm not able to understand it. So, if I just write two forward slashes in front of it, now compiler is like, sure, you can do that. Because compiler says, I don't care. Whatever you write here, I don't care about it. Why? Because you have two forward slashes in front of it. That's what a comment is. Comment is something the compiler won't care about. There are two types of comments, single line and multi-line. Single line is this one, right? Again, if I have, let's say, an sout statement, which says hello or hi, I can even have a comment here. I can say, well, of course, comments are used to explain my program, right? So I'll say, this program prints hello. Cool, right? Now, there's a second type of comment which is known as a multi-line comment. How to write that? Starting for slash, star, star, slash again. Whatever you write here is a multi-line. Multi-line means multiple lines. So I can say, I am a cool teacher. Cool, right? So this one is a multi-line. This is a single line. Well, that's the entire story. Seriously, that's it. So see, again, this is a single line, and this one, the other one, I'll just write here only, is multi-line comment. Again, one very important thing is, here you can see the program but cannot copy, right? So I have a written version of whatever I'm explaining here as an article, which you can check out. That's in the chat window. You can click it and copy paste to make better notes, right? In the next video, we'll learn about variables. Bye guys. Like it, subscribe, have fun. Bye-bye.